one of the greatest experiences of my life.
So that's been really great.
Interesting.
It's been a great opportunity to meet people.
I think I've made a lot of progress. Opportunity to meet people passionate about the Persian language from around the world.
Esperanto is a great program to learn Persian.
Best decision I could have made is to come to Esperanto and study in Armenia with this organization. I feel that my language skills have improved to a great extent due to the instruction and the programming at Esperanto.
I really enjoyed the breadth of topics that the program features and the opportunities we had to engage with them and exchange views in Persian on them, from poetry to international affairs.
The classes were really structured. The 4 hours a day covering the reading, writing, listening, and the talking. I think that, more than anything, my confidence speaking has improved.
The Persian Esperanto course has been really good for me because I have been able to just be in the language for a whole month.
Our two teachers, Ruben and Ani, are the smartest people I've ever met, and the trips, the excursions outside of Yerevan have been really great as well.
All people are great, and especially the organization. They take care to take us outside from Yerevan and discover also Armenia, in addition to learning Persian.
And I really have learned a lot. I definitely would encourage others who want to further their Farsi to come and do the course.